Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Dr. Ritika. I'm presenting a case of 5-year-old male boy whose parents complain of swelling below right lower lid for 3 months, caused due to injury by wooden stick. The swelling was non-progressive. There was no pain, redness, or any discharge from surface. Their only concern was cosmesis. On examination, it was zero point 0.5 into 0.5 centimeter globular swelling below right lower lid, which was freely mobile, non-tender, not adhered to skin or bone, and ocular movements were full and free in all cases. Anterior segment examination was normal. Posterior segment examination was also unremarkable with no changes in the fundus. So the question was, what can be this cyst? Could it be a dermoid cyst, a lipoma, or any parasitic infection? Or it can be a tumor, malignancy, or as there's history of trauma, could it be myositis or any abscess? Ultrasound was done and it was found it was a well-defined cystic lesion with eccentric echogenic nodule within it involving the muscular belly of right orbicularis oculi. So it is myocystisarcosis, but it is a first case up till my knowledge in which the myocystisarcosis is found in orbicularis oculi muscle. It is very rare in extraocular muscles and it is mostly found in superior rectus. MRI brain was done with Orbit to rule out the evidence of neurocystisarcosis, and there was none. Excision biopsy was done under general anesthesia, and in toto excision of cyst was done and sent for biopsy. Histopathological examination suggested a parasite with irregularly shaped membranous folding and scolis resembling the larva stage of Cysticercus larva. The underlying fibromuscular stroma also shows dense inflammatory infiltrate, hence confirming the diagnosis of cysticercosis. Patient was given post-op syrup albendazole, steroids, paracetamol, and eye ointment tobramycin, local application thrice daily for 6 weeks, and then the steroid was tapered in the next duration of 4 weeks. Thank you.
Very nice. What was the symptom of the patient?
Only cosmesis. The only concern of parents was cosmesis, sir. There was no pain, nothing.
So how would your management have changed if there was neurocystisarcosis? You said that you did the MRI.
Yes, ma'am.
And you didn't find evidence of neurocystisarcosis. Why we did the MRI and what would have happened if there was?
If there was any evidence, then we would have involved steroid.
Would you have still gone ahead with what you did?
No, ma'am. First, we would have given a course of steroid, and then we would have gone for surgery.
Any role of albendazole pre?
Yes, ma'am.
Pre-surgery. And did you also do any systemic investigations?
Yes, ma'am. The child was operated under general anesthesia. Systemic investigations were done.
What systemic investigations?
CBC was done, CBC, RFT, LFT, chest X-ray and ECG.
And?
Not as much.
Basic investigations? Stool?
No, ma'am, it was not done.
So even eosinophilia would be a feature of cysticercosis.
Yes,
that also can give way.